So in this video, we will talk about a loan requirement for Oportun or how do you use it. Here is how you can get a loan from Oportun. So first thing you need to do is access your account in Oportun. Or if you still haven't tried, you can also try to sign up by clicking apply now. So you can use any of your active email address for this. And then after that, it will then ask you to fill in the requirements for your loan. So here are the following requirements that you need to provide. First off, you need to be 18 years old and above. You'll be required to provide a valid ID. It can be your passport, government issued identity card, or any valid IDs that you have. Your social security number, and also you need to provide a utility bill as a proof of address. Your bank statement or pay stub as a proof of income. Your monthly recurring expenses. It can be payments for your mortgage or car loan or etc. And lastly, you will then be required to explain why you wanted to get a loan. And once you're all set, you can then click submit and wait for their feedback. That's how you can get a loan from Oportun.